Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you will have already seen by the title of the video, I will be doing, instead of doing acrylic nails, as you can see I've already got acrylic nails on, I'm going to be doing my first ever set of stick-on nails basically, because then I can make up a pair, and if I don't have the time to do my acrylics, I've got a pair to go that I can stick on. And I'm also curious just to see how long they last. And I had most of the supplies at home anyway, so I thought, why not? So I recently bought these little nail stands, which are also helpful for other things, because I do like to practice my nail art, and it's good to have those to practice. I like to post those on my Instagram, so if you are interested, have a look at my Instagram, and same again with my TikTok. I do lots of nail videos on my TikTok, testing out new products and just whatever the comments ask me to do really. So if you are interested in that, my TikTok will be linked down below. So of course I'll be needing blue tack, which I already had. And then this is the little stands that I bought from Amazon. I will link them down below if you are interested. They weren't expensive at all. I got 10 different stands because obviously 10 different fingers. And I believe it was like £7, and that was also including shipping, so definitely good value. I will say that not the best quality, however, if you are just wanting your first ever like nail stands ever, just to test them out and see how you like them, then I would definitely recommend. But if you are wanting very good quality ones, you're going to have to spend a lot more than £7. But I'm sure you already knew that. Anyway, so these are brand new. I also got them from Amazon. I will link all these products down below, just in case you are wondering. And these are just basically fake nails that I'm going to be painting. And I just sized them up to my nails. However, I already had acrylics on, so I kind of had to eyeball it. And I still haven't actually tested out my brand new nails, so who knows if they're going to actually fit, but I can always file them down to fit, so it's not the end of the world. I am going to be putting acrylic on first, just because the nails that I bought, they were quite thin and flimsy, so if I was just to wear those nails, then they wouldn't be very good. They're too thin and flimsy for me to get any work done. They'd just be bending all over the place. So I decided I'll put some acrylic on to strengthen the nail, which didn't take me long at all. It was quite easy. But I also would recommend filing down I'm losing my words. Filing down the nails, just because then the acrylic will stick a lot better, because we don't want the acrylic just to peel off or crack off, because that would be a waste of your time. So you may as well buff the shiny layer off the nails first, just to ensure that they won't do that. I just literally forgot, and I got halfway through and I was like, oh well, it's a bit late now. So if you are doing this at home, I'd recommend filing the layer down. And also my beads of acrylic are very wet here, which normally I can work with these beads really well, but the fact that these weren't actually real fingers and I can't actually angle them down to make the acrylic move where I wanted it to, those beads were a bit wet, so you might want to go for a drier bead than normal. So I decided to do a cow print, which I've never actually done this print before. I did test it out on some nails the day before on my TikTok, just because I've been doing a lot of nail art on my TikTok. I was like, you know what, I'm going to make a whole set of nails on this cow print, because I really liked it and I'm so excited to wear it. But yeah, it was very basic. All I needed was black and white. I had actually run out of my black gel, which was kind of annoying. So I ended up using stamping polish, which was the only black I own, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I do need to be buying some more gels very soon. And plus I do want to build my collection of gels. So if anyone does have any recommendations on some really good gels, let me know in the comments down below, because I am on the hunt. And preferably affordable, but I am willing to branch out a bit. So yeah, I decided to do 2 cow print nails and then 2 black ones, and then on my thumb have a white nail, just because I thought instead of just having all cow print, I thought that would be a bit boring, so I'd spice it up a bit and do different things on different nails. And originally I was going to be putting gems on the nails, but then I decided, yeah, it doesn't really go. So I'm just going to leave it and keep it quite simple. And of course, using the UV lamp to cure, which literally took 3 seconds, which was great. And then going in with the second layer because the white wasn't completely opaque. Which I will say, this look really didn't take me that long. I was also filming a TikTok at the exact same time because I wanted it to be on my YouTube and my TikTok, just because this is literally the first ever set of stick-on nails I've ever done in my life. So I wanted to document it on both platforms because why not? So it actually did take me a while because I was filming 2 different things at once. But other than just doing the actual nails, it didn't take me long in that sense. So if you are wanting to get into having acrylics and want to go more of the cheaper route and you do them yourself, this is a lot easier than just doing acrylics on yourself because it's less time consuming and you get a better angle, because obviously with your hands you don't want to bend them too far to the point where you just snap your arms because that would not be ideal. But yeah, I definitely recommend practicing nail art like this and whatnot because I did find it a lot easier if I was trying to do this on my hands, especially using my left hand on my right hand because that's not my dominant hand. I would find that really difficult, but of course I don't have to deal with that in this method, so that is very, very nice. And this cow print is going pretty well. Was very easy. I have these dotting tools and they are from Amazon. I can also link those down below. Very, very handy, but you don't necessarily need to use a dotting tool. I'm sure there's loads of different videos on YouTube where you can just use like household items as nail art tools, because I have seen stuff like that before, like hair grips and whatnot. But yeah, if you are actually wanting to buy proper nail stuff, then I will leave a lot of links down below, just in case you are interested. And most of them will all be from Amazon, just because I get most of my stuff from Amazon. And Amazon's a great place, so why not? I'm really liking the way this turned out. And comment down below any other like nail designs you'd like me to test out, because I'm happy to make more videos like this, just because I'd be making nails like this anyway, so I can always film it. So just let me know. I could do some leopard print. I do love leopard print nails so much, with passion. So that might have to be my next design, because leopard print, me and leopard print get on so well. And yeah. So then the next step is a top coat. Of course, after I wait for that to dry, but I am using stamping polish, so I didn't have to cure it. I just had to wait and let it air dry, which is kind of annoying because I can't just like quickly cure it and then we're done. I have to like wait until it's fully dried, because otherwise I'd smudge all my cow prints, and you don't really see cows with massive smudges between all their little prints, so obviously you got to keep it quite clean and make it look cute. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. It was so easy, which gives me hope, because I'm not the best at nail art. Like, I'm only just getting into it. I taught myself how to do acrylics, and now I'm teaching myself how to do nail art. So if you are wanting to follow me along with this journey of nail art and acrylics, please keep watching my channel. I upload every Sunday, and I'll put lots of links down below if you are interested in also getting into nail art and acrylics. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I will be posting photos on Instagram of me wearing them, so stay tuned for that. It will be linked down below. But yeah, so like, subscribe, comment down below. I hope to see you guys for my next video on Sunday. Bye guys!